Have you ever wondered, am I wasting my money at the gym? Paying every single month for this gym membership that I rent? I don't even own it. If I go to the gym, I don't even know if it's gonna be busy or not, if I'm gonna have to wait for a weight, or if I'm gonna have to change my whole entire routine, right? Because somebody's using the weight rack. Ridiculous. What if somebody's gonna film me and put me in the background of their video, like this one? Come in, I wanna show you something. So today, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Matt and JC homemade gym fitness center that we have here. The Dojo Parayan Casa. The most important thing you see here is we have the dumbbell rack. We go all the way from 5 pounds up to 50 pounds, because when I feel like I really gotta get a pump on, not there yet. But that's the purpose, it's inspiration. With this, you can do things like money curls, overhead presses, flies. Next, what would a gym be without a mat?
You are a mat.
Mat on a mat. So the first thing we had to get with these mats right here, you plant your feet, you want to be on solid ground. You also, if you set a weight down, look at this. Boom, nothing. I used to do a burpee on these mats. It's the first thing we got. It's also a nice little aerobic space. But look at this. And without the mat, you'd be wondering, hey Matt, what are you gonna do today? All right? So you could sit out here and warm up, tons of room for activities. Now I got these only for 160 bucks. There's 2 of them. It's a great multi-purpose space. And if you wanna do any working out from the ground, you can do it. A real pump on it. So you can't do this at a regular gym. They'll look at you funny. What would a gym be without a bench? This beautiful bench here, it's got all the angles you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different angles. Set this bad boy up here. You wanna do some pressing, you come out here, you do some pressing. It's nice, easy and controlled. You wanna come out to babies and work on the form for the day? No one's gonna ask any questions. This cap rack you got right here is actually from Walmart. We use it to do that dead hang for 30 single days straight. We actually did it for 31 days in a single month. And we got this athletic tape at Dick's Sporting Goods. So you're able to come out here and hang on the bar. And you can get your pull-ups. You must have a rack in your gym. That way you can do the bench press. That way you can do the squat. That way you can do your dead hangs, and that way you can do your pull-ups. Without a bar in the gym, it's almost like you're not even getting in touch with your innate self, your monkey self. This bad boy here, this is for the quick incline. Look at that. Oh, magnetic. Magnetic, dude. Do some inclines, no problem. For your rack, incline, squat, and bench press setup to be complete, you need a plate tray. All right, we got the plates at a local dumbbell retailer. These plates were like $400 for the whole entire set. You can also get these trees, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Tons of people got used plate trays that they're not using anymore that you can add to your home gym. It's a must-have. These big old bad bumper plates here, you get these if you want to deadlift. I was just deadlifting out here yesterday. You move the bench out of the way, and you got a deadlift right in the center. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. Easy. Always make sure that when you're out here benching, you got a spotter.
A couple things that I love. 1, being outside. 2, we have a nice little seating area. So like in the mornings, we can come out here, have some coffee. These bamboo fences, I dug about a foot in and then I just rubber hammered the top of it. And they're really durable. A couple more of my favorite things, the curtains. How nice is that? This gate
is for babies?
Cats. We have like a lot of animals running around, so it's nice to have this, again, just added security to the house. A nice way to like have a little bit of privacy from your neighbors. A curtain tension rod, and then I got 6 linen curtains. So we can open it up, and then we can just close them. I love that.
Check that out, boom. And you look inside of there and you got stuff.
Football? Basketball? Tennis balls? Racquetballs? What kind of ball is that? With. I play softball.
Why do we keep paying every single month a subscription, a license, or some sort of fee to borrow when we can own our life? That's why we've shot this video today, to inspire you to get your own plates, to get your own bar, to get your own rack, to get your own bench, to get your own dumbbells, and stop being Dumbo and making all these corporate gyms rich. You want to get jacked? It's inside of you. Bring it into your home, into your casa, into your dojo, a humble abode. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.